Welcome to our informative journey. Today, we delve into the world of YouTube monetization. In the next few moments, we'll embark on a fascinating voyage through the intricate labyrinth of making money on YouTube. This is the year 2024, and the digital landscape has evolved dramatically. YouTube has grown into a powerhouse platform, teeming with content creators, influencers, and eager audiences hungry for fresh, engaging content. Monetization on YouTube isn't just a buzzword. It's a genuine, viable income stream for thousands of creators worldwide. But what does it mean exactly? Well, in simple terms, YouTube monetization is the process of earning money from your uploaded videos through ads, channel memberships, or YouTube Premium revenue. It's the dream of every aspiring YouTuber to turn their passion into a paycheck. However, it's not as easy as uploading a video and watching the money roll in. There are hoops to jump through, boxes to tick, and a steep learning curve to navigate. In this video, we're going to demystify this process, breaking it down into digestible chunks. We'll look at the basic requirements for monetization, the timeline from uploading your first video to receiving your first paycheck, and the all-important review process. We'll also discuss the role of Google AdSense in the monetization process. What is it? Why do you need it? How do you connect it to your YouTube account? All these questions and more will be answered. Our aim is to provide you with a comprehensive guide to YouTube monetization in 2024, arming you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in this ever-evolving digital landscape. So whether you're a seasoned YouTuber looking to maximize your earnings or a newbie just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So if you're curious about how long it takes to get monetized on YouTube, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Before we jump into the timeline, let's understand the basic requirements for monetization. It's like preparing for a journey. You need a roadmap and the right gear to reach your destination. In the world of YouTube, your gear is the YouTube Partner Program, and your roadmap is a set of requirements you must meet. First up, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers to your channel. Now, these can't be just any subscribers. They need to be real, engaged viewers who are genuinely interested in your content. Think of them as your loyal fan base. This isn't a number to be taken lightly. It's a testament to the quality of your content and the value you offer your viewers. Next, YouTube requires you to have at least 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months. This means your content isn't just being clicked on, it's being watched, engaged with, and shared. It's proof that you're not just making noise, but actually contributing to the YouTube community in a meaningful way. But the journey doesn't stop there. You also need to have a Google AdSense account. This is how you'll receive revenue from the ads that play on your videos. Think of Google AdSense as the bank where your YouTube earnings are deposited. It's a crucial part of the monetization process, and without it, you won't see a dime of your hard-earned ad revenue. Don't forget, you also need to comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines. This includes copyright laws, community guidelines, and advertiser-friendly content guidelines. Breaking these rules could lead to your monetization being disabled, so it's important to stay on the right side of the law. Meeting these requirements is your first step towards monetization. But how long does it take? Let's find out. Now that you know the requirements, let's explore the timeline to get monetized on YouTube. So you've got your channel up and running, and you're ready to start making some money, right? Well, the timeline to monetization isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. It's a journey that depends on several factors, including the nature of your content, the size and engagement level of your audience, and your consistency in uploading videos. Let's start with the basic prerequisites. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. That might sound like a lot, but let's break it down. If you consistently upload engaging content, you could reach 1,000 subscribers in a few months. However, the watch hours can be a bit trickier. 4,000 hours is equivalent to 240,000 minutes. If your average video length is 10 minutes, That's a whopping 24,000 views you'll need in a year. But don't let that intimidate you. Remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. The key is to remain consistent and patient. Regularly upload quality content that resonates with your target audience. Engage with your viewers through comments and social media. Over time, you'll see your subscriber count and watch hours grow. Now, once you've met these requirements, you're not instantly monetized. Your channel goes into a review queue, and YouTube verifies that your content adheres to its monetization policies. This process can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. So, in a nutshell, the timeline to monetization can vary greatly. It could be as short as a few months for some, or it could take over a year for others. It's a journey that's unique to every YouTuber, but here's the good news. The time and effort you invest in your channel now will pay off in the long run. As your channel grows, so does your potential for revenue. Remember, patience and consistency are key in this journey. Once you meet the requirements, your channel enters the review process. Let's discuss what that entails. The review process is YouTube's way of ensuring that every channel that gets monetized meets their community guidelines and policies. It's essentially the gatekeeper to your potential earnings, so it's important to understand how it works. Firstly, the review process doesn't kick off immediately after you meet the requirements. YouTube usually takes about a month to start reviewing your channel. So if you're eagerly waiting to start raking in some revenue, know that patience is a virtue you'll need. Once the review process starts, YouTube's team takes a deep dive into your channel's content. They're looking to see if your videos adhere to their community guidelines. These guidelines cover a wide range of topics, from hate speech to copyright infringement, and everything in between. It's essential that your content doesn't violate any of these rules. But it's not just the content of your videos that YouTube scrutinizes. They also check your channel's main theme, most viewed videos, newest videos, video metadata, and more. Basically, they want to ensure that your channel as a whole complies with their policies. If you're concerned about the review process, there's no need to fret. YouTube provides a lot of resources to help you understand their community guidelines and policies. So, before you even think about monetization, make sure you familiarize yourself with these rules. After the review, there can be 3 outcomes. If your channel gets approved, you'll receive an email, and you can start monetizing your videos. If your channel gets held for further review, you'll have to wait a bit longer. And if your channel gets rejected, don't despair. You can make necessary changes and reapply after 30 days. The review process is a crucial step towards monetization. Make sure your content aligns with YouTube's guidelines. It's not just about reaching the monetization requirements, it's about maintaining a channel that upholds YouTube's standards. Remember, patience and adherence to guidelines are your keys to unlocking the potential of your channel. After passing the review, it's time to connect with Google AdSense. This is the platform that will allow those tantalizing ads to show up on your videos, and more importantly, it's where you'll receive your well-deserved revenue from them. So, how do you connect your YouTube channel to Google AdSense? It's a relatively straightforward process. First, head over to your YouTube studio and navigate to the Monetization section. From there, you'll see an option to Connect with Google AdSense. Click on this and follow the prompts. You'll need a Google account for this, but if you're on YouTube, chances are you already have one. Next, you'll be asked to provide some basic information, including your payment address and tax details. Make sure these are accurate. Google AdSense is very particular about accuracy, so double-check everything before you hit Submit. Once you've submitted your information, Google will review it. This can take a few days, so don't panic if you don't hear back immediately. They're just making sure everything is in order. After you're approved, it's time to set your ad preferences. This is where you decide what types of ads you want to show on your videos. You have control over this, so choose wisely. The ads you select should ideally align with your content and your audience's interests. But remember, connecting with Google AdSense is just one part of the puzzle. The real key to success on YouTube is consistent content creation and viewer engagement. The more viewers you have, the more ad revenue you're likely to generate. So keep those videos coming, and always strive to engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for likes and shares, and build a community around your content. With your channel now monetized, your journey has just begun. Keep creating, keep engaging, and the rewards will follow. Thank you for joining us today, and as always, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.